Hi friends, let me show you these new white formal dress shirts that I bought because I use them a lot in my work. As you can see, they are really nice. They are really flexible. They will fit really nice, and I will iron them to try them. Let's do it. As you can see, my shirt fits perfectly. It's kind of, flexible. It's comfortable. It feels really nice. You can use it with a coat, with a tie even, if you want. Or just like I am doing today, as a casual white shirt for any occasion. So if you are looking for new dress shirts, these ones are really, really nice. Thank you.